Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you this interesting mixer from Fifine that was kind enough to send this Ampligame Fifine SC3 mixer. This is a gaming mixer, so I'm gonna show you in today's video this cool stuff. They send the product for review, but they don't pay me to make today's video. So without further ado, let me show you this interesting device. We have RGB, we have custom pads, effects, voice changing, auto tune. This is cool. Let me show you what we have here, guys. So when you open the device, you're gonna find user manual, which is pretty cool. This is the device. Before you show the device, let me show what else we can get here. We have a type C to type A 2 meter, pretty cool. TRRS to TRS, which is pretty cool as well. And the actual mixer, let me show you guys, it's pretty cool. So the faders, we have 4 faders. There's some resistance, which is pretty cool. I do like them. The build quality actually is decent. Obviously this device is gonna cost you around $49 to $50. Always you can find some cool deals in Fifine website or Amazon UK. I'm gonna leave all the links in the descriptions down below if you want to purchase this product. Nothing on the back. We have feet that obviously is going to help you, the device, not to slide, move. So what we have here, let me show you now what we have here. So we have 48 phantom power. This device can work with a dynamic or condenser microphone. We have auto tune. We have 4 custom pads where you can basically record a couple of seconds of, let's say, messages, which is pretty cool. We have changing, so here you can change your voice, pretty cool. RGB lights and all the faders here, which I think they're pretty cool. We have mute, mic monitor, and mute. Now I'm going to show you why you're gonna see so many mute buttons here, because the cool part is that here on the back we have all the inputs and outputs to understand what actually they can do. So here you can connect the device to a USB device, pretty simple. A line out, you can connect your speakers, which is pretty cool as well. Headphones, so you can connect headphones to hear yourself. We have a monitor, which is pretty cool, real-time monitor, so you can hear yourself while you're speaking, pretty cool. Here you can connect basically a smartphone to the device, so you can play music directly, which is pretty nice. And headphones, basically you can connect a gaming headset, which is pretty cool as well. We have switch from dynamic to condenser microphone and a combo jack, pretty nice. So this is the device. Let's connect it now and let me show you what this device can do. And now the audio mixer is connected to my computer, and this is the sound from this dynamic microphone as well. This is the K688 by Fifine. I purchased this microphone a couple of days ago to test it because apparently this microphone is super popular and the sound is amazing. But now let me show you what this mixer can do. So it's been connected. As you can see the camera, so it has RGB. I'm gonna show you the RGB, as you can see, so we can cycle through the colors, different modes, different colors. As you can see, pretty cool. So who doesn't like RGB? The RGB I think is pretty cool. You have a couple of different modes, as you can see. And yeah, I think it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Let's leave it to the blue. We have a phantom power here on the side. Obviously this is if you use a condenser microphone. We're using dynamic microphone, so we don't need that. Also we have something pretty cool. This is basically auto tune. So if you sing, we're gonna try it. Probably it's gonna be very bad, but we're gonna try it anyway. We have 4 different custom pads where you can record for a couple of seconds, which is I think pretty cool. Also we have change voice. We can change your voice. And yeah, this is pretty cool. So let's taste. Let's test the pads first. So if you just hold and press, but I think I'm doing something wrong here because when I try to record something, I don't do it right. So let's try it now. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. See, I think I'm doing something wrong here. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, I think I'm doing something wrong here. Let's try a different one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. To subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I think when flashes white, then you have to talk. Let's try the B. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so I think you have to press wait for the white light and then you can talk. But what I notice is the sound from the recording, it's not great. But I think this can be fixed in the next generation. But yeah, so you can record maybe some cool stuff. So for example, honey, don't forget to buy milk. Don't forget to buy milk. Forget to buy milk. Don't forget to buy milk. Yeah, so you can record some stuff like boom boom psh, like some sounds and I don't know something cool. Let's move on with the next cool feature, which is let's change the voices now. I think this is pretty cool. So on this side we have a button, a pad where you can change some of the cool voices. I think we have 4, maybe 5.
Hey, 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 how's it going? My name is Joel.
Hey, my name is Richard. How's it going, dude? This is a male, I think.
Hey, Jack, how's it going? I don't know. Hey, hello.
Hey, this is my favorite. Don't forget to subscribe. How's it going? What's up? Yeah, you get the point.
Hey, this is a male. Hello, Joel. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, you get the point. If you want to switch the change voice thing, just press and hold the pad.
And now this should be your original voice. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So if you want to change the voice, you can do that as well. And now my favorite thing is auto tune. So let's try to press. So press this button here, where it says auto tune, and we have a different notes. I don't know if you can see. We have a different notes. I don't know if you can see. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Joe. Purple rain, purple rain. Yeah, I'm a terrible singer, but you get the point. Let's try something else. I think this is pretty cool now. So yeah, let's try something like we are the champions, my friend. We keep on fighting till the end. Yeah, I'm terrible, seriously. Let's try something else. We will. Yeah, you get the point. So yeah, you can try to sing. Obviously, I'm terrible. So if you want to switch this off, just press and hold. And now you get back to your original voice. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. Couple of things that I noticed, which I'm not a big fan, is I know this device is cheap. Come on, this device is like no less than $50. It's not just a mixer, a voice changing, auto tune mixer. I mean, this is for gaming mostly, but it's audio interface as well. So I think this is pretty cool. But I don't know. I don't like the layout. The layout looks very. I don't know. I wish maybe they do a better version, with maybe with the buttons to be maybe a little bit more spread out. And like I mentioned earlier, when you record, the sound from the recording is not great. It's a very low quality, which is not great. Um, Again, for the price, I think this is a great device. For the price, I think this is a great device. If they keep involving and making this a mixer better, to the point that obviously it's going to cost a little bit more, but the quality is going to be great. What I like to see maybe in the next version is maybe two microphone inputs, so you can connect two microphones, which is going to be great podcast option. And also, like I mentioned, the layout is not fantastic. I hope they can change, and maybe they can add maybe some cool features. The voice is fine, the changing is fine, the autotune is gimmicky, but I don't know. I'm not a singer, so I don't know if this actually is gonna work for you. But for recording music and for gaming, for live streaming, for the price, yeah, I think it's a great device. So let me know in the comments down below, have you tried the Fifine SC3 audio mixer? I think it's a great device. I know I received this product for free. Fifine doesn't pay me to make today's video. But overall, it's a great device because if I decide to record something quickly in a different room outside, what do I need is I take the device, take my computer, laptop, and I can do that outside, which is great. So there we have it, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. And Fifine, thank you for sending this product for a review. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. And as always,
Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.